Hi, good day. This is Alex for Internet Well Secret. Today, I would like to actually share with you one of these. This is more like emulations of people's success review page. How we can actually quickly emulate people's page within 60 seconds, right? So this software is a cloud-based, what's called Skipper, right? So Skipper is on this in front of this video is the sales page. It said unfair app that you bank 513 daily on autopilot by copying internet millionaires, right? And now it's your turn to duplicate our success in just a minute, right? So basically, this is about how we can actually, when there is any product launch in Wallet Plus or JV2, how we can actually quickly create a review page and the videos, the review video. Normally, this actually is called a launch jacking, right? It's one of the most effective way to promote any affiliate product and make you a really consistent commission, right? So this software actually to simplify this whole process means you can actually pick the campaigns and actually set up the campaigns easily and start driving traffic to the review page with a complete videos. And you just need to put in your affiliate link, right? That's it. That's the only thing you need to do, right? So easy as 1, 2, 3. Turn on your Skipper emulation, activate a free built-in traffic, start collecting payments. So that is basically some testimonial in this sales page, which tell you what exactly how they actually getting the sales and results. So the creators is a Branson, Tay, and Diamonds, right? So these are the two guys who created this software, and also show a lot of the YouTube channels, subscriber, everything, right? So that's it about my quick introduction about this software. Let me quickly bring you to the demo video of this software here. Okay, so you can see here there is I have pre-recorded a demo video here. You can actually look at this software and you can actually. Okay, so here is login page of the Skipper, right? You just need to sign in here. This is a demo version of the software, right? Okay, so you can see this in front of you is a sign in page of the software, right? Okay, so you just need to sign in and you go to the dashboard. We just very simple to use software. There's no complicated step here. Dashboard visitors or subscribers, because we can capture the subscriber inside this software. How many campaigns and site also, right? How many sites have been created as part of this, right? Okay. So first thing first, you need to click on the Skipperz. We click on the Skipper. Okay, new Skipper, and we actually bring up. Actually, you can select the niche based on make money online, weird those rating, everything. And on this left hand side, training high ticket product, this is a way you can actually find a list of the product and you can actually submit for approval and get all the product information for you to actually promote, right? Okay, the high ticket offer also here, right? And the support you also can given as part of this software, right? Okay, right. So first thing first, you have to do is you need to click on the new Skipper, right? Once you click on new Skipper here, so this is a link here to get started, right? So here it's going to show you also how far you can actually set up one campaign, just less than 60 seconds, right? So let's click on the new Skipper, yeah. Okay. So there's a many niche have been built in here make money, right? Okay, so you can choose the niche. Inside the niche is again the few campaigns have been set up for you ready. Example, this traffic crash be installed. This is already famous software which have been launched recently, right? So what you can do just to create a new landing page and activate the Skipper emulation, right? Okay, you try to emulate the review page which have been doing really successful to get a lot of sales, right? So that's the idea. So you come to this editor you can edit the page, right? and anything can be is editable on this page. The image, the buttons, the text, everything is editable, right? Okay, so on the right hand side there's a setting where you can put in your affiliate link here, right? Okay, you get traffic flash with all the bonuses, right? Okay, anything can be customized, even the text, links, everything inside here can be customizable also, right? Okay, so that is idea behind this here, and the bonuses is also being given, right? So this is a funnel, it's a built-in funnel. We own the debut page, or the landing page, and together we compete with these bonuses also, right? So this is counter the timer, right? The timer it take less than 41 seconds just to create a one single campaign, which can actually start promoting this campaign using built-in traffic. Okay, so you can actually publish a campaign, and you can actually choose the image or be browser on the tab also, right? Okay, so this can actually configure your own domain to have your own domain, or option this is optional, or you can actually use a Skipperz app on its domain. You can this is for your finance uh, the link, you can actually use it to drive traffic. Okay, you can also set SEO title, description, and keyword here also, right? Okay, so the form setting here, and this form setting, this way you can actually set up your autoresponders capturing, right? So this is the way you paste your code, right? Description, we have this request, we contact you. Okay, and the custom code we can actually put in the retargeting code, like example like Google Analytica or Bing app, or Facebook retargeting code can be put here, right? So that is where you can set up everything. So there is a very simple software. So when you come to here, all this campaign can be shown here, and this is a link. You can actually copy and paste a link. You can actually use internal built-in traffic source. I think more than 50 traffic source you can use to actually promote this affiliate link. This is a ready page for you to promote, right? Okay, so that's about it of this software. It's very simple to use, very user friendly, and it's very built from the for this newbies, right? So right now come to my review of this Skipperz review and bonuses. So total rating I'm giving Skipperz 9.6, right, over 10. It's copy and paste successful millionaires. There's not a lot, there's not too much thinking here. You just need to everything have been provided to you. You just need to choose a niche and choose the product under the niche. And once you choose the product under the niche, you actually preview all these campaigns for you with the complete with the review page, the review videos, all the bonuses. Everything is complete for you. You don't have to think, cracking your head to come out your own review page. You'll be they got your video. You are shy to face the camera, right? So everything is done from you. So it's a fantastic tool for the newbie, right? Okay. So Skipperz, the starting price for FE is 19 and some upsell also, right? So launch is today, right? 9.6 over 10, right? So I explained to you already what is Skipperz inside there. Also, I quickly bring you to the okay. So this is a $19 for early bird, right? Okay, so the front end is a $19 top affiliate on 160 to set up a profitable terminal. Yeah, this is yeah, this is quite correct when we actually do this launch checking. We are actually using at least 1 hour, 1.5 hours to set up the page, record the video, the DV video, and publish it to the YouTube channel. There's a lot of work involved, right? So by using the Skipperz, actually you cut all this process up, because you're actually emulating someone's success, the modeling of someone's review page. You model it, and actually you just change a little bit the text or the image, or you don't have to change the text or image at all. You just need to change the affiliate link. It's good to go. So this I show you the 42 seconds. Actually you can get everything up and running. It's a free built-in traffic also. Skip all the hard work, skip all the try and error, right? Okay, so the upsell is recommended for the 37, right? unlock all the premium features, supercharge account to profit twice as far as unlimited, create unlimited money campaign, get unlimited traffic, commission 10 extra done from you campaign. This and more campaign inside there under all the limitations. Right? Also recommended to upsell to learn from you 197. 100% hand-free income while you do all the work for you. We create the website and money campaign, especially for technical work, so you can sit back. So this is learn from you. They just create actually they just create a so-called a complete a review page, right? Okay, this is more upgrade version of the site. Actually can money campaign, right? So it's all done for 197. Skipper 1000 paydays. System monetize Skipper with high ticket offers. Right? I think this high ticket offer is upsell inside there. How to actually to use the Skipper better to monetize some high ticket offer. Okay, if you 10 times your income. Okay, pop in high income commission special. Okay, Skipper one click traffic bot or 147. Skipper 10 times profit booster. So these are some of the other upsell. Recommended is also upsell 5 Skipper 6-figure in cash content. Coin the success of Skipper and earn up to 691 per visitor you send while we take care of everything for you. Okay, you just need to send them visitor and you can earn up to 691, right? Okay, when you send one visitor. Okay, so there is a few campaigns I recommend. Okay, this is one. Okay, unlock, and also this is also the one, and the third one is this one, right? Okay, anyway, it's optional to you, but I strongly suggest at least you get the front end and the upsell one. Okay, to unlock all the unlimited the limitation inside there, right? Okay, are you ready to catch it with Skipper? The answer is yes. Skipper, they don't usually make money using the method they teach you. What they do is they hire up some outdated product maybe worked 5 years ago and maybe so, and this is why Branson did the research. He uncovered that the top ones earner are already doing. Okay, so this is what how the top 1% online earner they are already doing. They create a review page, the review videos and the bonuses. So this is the key extraction. The bonuses is extraction, right? And some others key is the workthrough, the demo using the videos method, right? So that is how you can actually convince people to purchase a product, right? So that is the best way how we can do with this, right? Okay, so there are some other key benefits I explained here. There's a demo video. You can actually also take your time to go through with it again. Okay, so here come to the portion on my Skipperz insane bonuses. I have handpicked below exclusive Skipper bonuses, right? Tailored to get your best result with Skipper. All this is mainly customized for Skipper. This is no general bonuses, right? I'm given to you, right? First thing first, this no one is giving this kind of bonuses. It's only for me, right? I'm actually sending you 200,000 DSA SEO link to your Skipper page. You just need to send me the Skipper page and the proof of your purchase, and I will set up the campaign to drive you the 200,000 as your backlink. So who am I on the earth can actually do this kind of offer to you? Because this is actually one of my fiber services. I provide this kind of services to my client, right? So I'm in this field and I know how to actually do this for you. So this is not some trick or scam, right? I'm actually doing this for you because at the end of the campaign, I'm going to send you my work done, the proof of work, and also to show you I've actually done this campaign to you. So, but remember, this is only for the first 12 hours only, right? When you see this video, you quickly go and pick up this Skipper with my bonuses here. So the next one is tip and trick to get best result with Skipper, right? So I have also recorded a quick video how to get the best result with the Skipper. So this is another really cool bonus, with this specified bonus for Skipper. The next one is how to generate income with Skipper page, right? So you can inside the Skipper actually they show you how to actually share the link to the 40 50 social media. Here I'm actually having a special tutorial to show you how you can actually generate income with the Skipperz page by using the five really key social media traffic from YouTube, Facebook, and this Pinterest, and also LinkedIn, right? So this is another very special bonuses. Next one is how to label your sales hack with Skipperz, right? So this is another traffic hack. You can actually how to actually label your sale with Skipperz page or with other website, whichever website. You can actually apply the same method also, right? So the YouTube 2021 hacks are another I will be giving to you as part of these bonuses, whereby you can actually grow your follower using the small plugin that you can install on the Chrome, right? So as other thing is also yeah, so this is also the Instagram, yeah, traffic source. So the next thing is the other bonuses I also give to you is email marketing video training course, or it's called email nomination. You learn how to do a proper email marketing. The next one is exclusive email swap and headline, ultimate email swap file, make money online email swap, and kill the headline to make you a lot of sales like this. You can actually model and also emulate make money online email content, and you can use this to set the broadcast to your subscriber at big sale. The last one is a 200 way special bonus bundle, right? A collection of special bonus bundle. We have a make money online video training course, ebook, tools, app software, and plugin. So there are quite a number of the make money online video course. These are some previous product but really top marketer is also inside the bundle here. So all these training course, app or software is mainly is to drive you traffic, get you traffic, and make you more sales. That's how the way the key and value of my bonuses is. It's all about getting you traffic, and so you can make sales using your Skipperz page. So that is my presentation today, my sharing today, my walkthrough today about Skipperz. So before this page expire in this timer, right? Okay. After that, this will be removed, right? So quickly click the link below this video, and you are going to come to this review page. Inside the review page, there is a red button. Just click on the red button, and you're going to come to this Skipperz okay, sales page, right? So inside the sales page, just make a purchase of from the sales page, and you actually can get all the by bonuses, and together with the Skipperz software, the front end, for $19 only, you are getting all this kind of high value qualities product and also bonuses, right? Okay, so remember to get my very special bonus only from me. I have 200,000 verified GSA of Backlink. You must take action within the 12 hours. Okay, I hope you enjoy my sharing today. Thank you very much, right?